stands upon a rising throne, a voice that carries through the stone. The weight of choices in his hand, a steady force that guides the land. His presence shapes the world around, a calm that keeps the people sound. He hears the call to organize, to bring clear order to their lives. He rises with a noble flame, a heart aligned with truth and aim. He leads with strength that others feel, a power grounded, calm and real. He moves with discipline and care, with every step a silent prayer, a hope that what he builds will last, a wiser balance from the past. His actions form a clearer path, a way that softens fear and wrath. He carries roles that few can see, a ruler shaped by dignity. He rises with a noble flame, a heart aligned with truth and aim. He leads with strength that others feel, a power grounded, calm and real. To lead with honor is a test, to choose the path that